walk out, put that double-barrel shotgun, and fire 2 blasts outside the house.
If you ever have a problem, take this shotgun and fire 2 blasts outside the house.
Okay, so take this shotgun, fire 2 blasts outside the house, and then I'm unarmed, and it's illegal. I know how to use an AR-15, you know?
You don't need an AR-15. It's harder to aim, it's harder to use, and in fact, you don't need 30 rounds to protect
You
yourself.
don't need an AR-15. It's harder to aim, it's harder to use, and in fact, you don't need 30 rounds to protect yourself.
That's the craziest thing I've ever heard. I think you've lost your mind.
But Biden said...
Buy a shotgun. Buy a shotgun. Buy a shotgun. Buy a shotgun.